how small you write, how big you write, whatever. It's not the point. Okay? Any questions?
Is it okay if we type it?
Sure. Yep. Yep. Calculators that are allowed on the test are your standard calculators. Does anyone have anything that has a computer algebra system that takes derivatives and stuff? Is anyone using one of those? You know what I'm talking about? Like one that will do algebraic manipulations, like if you do it like...
Are those like the CX Inspire ones?
Well, there's the Inspire CAS system, and then TI-89 also, the TI-92, that's kind of obsolete. You probably know if you have it. No one has it? Okay, because you're not supposed to use those on the test. If you had one, I wanted to at least make sure that you have a backup or something. Okay, so calculators, no phones allowed on the test. You'll be allowed to leave the room to use the restroom like once, maybe twice, but you'll have to leave your phone, all that stuff. No smartwatches. I hate to have to say all this stuff, but you know, obviously this is from experience. So I went to the men's room one time. There was an entire unit circle in the men's stall. I mean, every important angle, and it was pretty impressive.
That's not smart. What I would do is I put it inside the toilet bag thing. That's what I would do.
Well, it was in the toilet. It was in the stall on the wall. Real big too, pretty. It's almost like they used like a compass or something.
It's painted on there.
Okay, are there any questions? Remember, this is what I said today is just a guide. You know, if you've been doing your homework, I encourage you to just kind of look at it again and yes. Talk about it? What? Oh, you want your first ones back? Yes. Okay, yeah. So on the first ones, I intentionally do not really show a lot of detail as to why I took off what I did, because I'm trying to encourage you to figure out what's wrong. And maybe that will force you to contact me to figure out what's going on so we can talk in more depth about your thinking on this. But if you have a question, you know, just let me know. So I will put these just over here on a table and y'all can come grab them because the grades are not on here. The way I grade, just so you get home and you're like, what the hell? I grade each of these 6 problems were graded on a 10-point scale. So the maximum number of points you could have received